What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. I want to talk about SCPS. Yesterday, I just released a video on how I made over $30,000. It is the exact same setup and playbook play that I just went over and covered in yesterday's video right here, how I made over $30,000. SCPS had a recent big move from $6 all the way up to almost $50. Pulls back for 3 straight days. Today, I was able to capitalize on it. Right from this morning, from $16, this ran all the way up to $26. I made over $18,000 trading a simple setup, the rubber band play, mid-candle breakout play. SCPS, bring over the daily chart right here. This is the daily chart. Stock had this big move right here. Then for 3 straight days, the stock pulled back, building up that tension, and then shoots up. Shout out to AG Capital in the Discord group. He was the one that alerted this morning pre-market because he watched the video. He understood the setup and he's seen it in SCPS. He alerted it. I was able to capitalize on it. Beautiful setup. Just right from the open, you could just tell. Let's zoom in on this. Pulls back for 3 straight days right here. Then this day, it finally gets that gap up. Gaps up, pulls down pre-market, gets this run up right here. Then for 3 straight days, it pulls back. Never gaps up pre-market or anything. Just opens, little quick pop, slam down. Just continuously making lower highs and lower lows. And then this day right here, it finally gets that gap up, makes a high at 20, then pulls back down right to the area that it broke from, held that $15 area, U-shapes up and around, market opens, gets this shimmy pullback right here, right back down to 1550, and then volume starts coming into it. Volume on the day was like 260K. I said it in the Discord. We're super early on this stock. People forget about these big runners. Every day a new stock pops up. Think of people as seagulls. I like to refer to them as the mob or seagulls. Volume is going to go to whatever is producing for the day. This is what I refer to as volume. Whenever there's a stock pushing up and producing, volume's going to flock to that. Mine, just like seagulls. They all have their stock scanners. It's hitting new high of days. Volume's pumping into it. If you can see it before it happens, that's where you get paid. This is where the big money gets paid. But such an amazing trade here on SCPS, and it all just comes from studying the past and preparing for the future. If you guys haven't already, join the Trading Learning 101 membership, sign up for the day trading masterclass, or sign up for the Discord chat room. Today, we killed it with VVPR. We were stalking VVPR as it was forming this wedge up to that mental $10. Today, it got that nice pop up over 10, ran all the way up to 1150. Always have a plan every trade. 2020 has been a horrible year, yes, but it has been an amazing year for day trading. This by far has been my best year as a trader, and I look to continue going into 2021. Join me. But I wanted to make this video, show you guys that this play actually works. You just have to know how to execute it. $18,000, all within the first half hour of the market open. Most people have to work 3 to 4 months, 5 months to make this kind of money. This is the opportunities the stock market can give you if you study, you show up every day, you get that screen time under your belt. This is the hardest game in the world to learn, but it is very rewarding once you learn it. If I don't see you guys, happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year. Get prepared and ready for 2021 because we're going to be doing big things. As I always say, till next time, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?